No one's even talking about this right now. See it right here. You need to go to Weather War 101. There is some serious shit going down, and people don't want to fucking admit it. This sumbitch is headed right for Florida. Cat 5. Is it man-made? This right here, folks, is serious shit. Before this storm, this wasn't even a hurricane earlier today. Let's see what it is now here. Nothing to say, nothing to do. Round the neck, money in the pocket, Cat 5. I'm sorry, people. There's some shit going down. There's some shit people don't even want to talk about going down. Human lives are in danger. Thanks for watching.